Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's find out what is inside the bag. The scissors work lovely, but let's put them away so Laura doesn't drop them on herself. Alright, so we have two stamped cross-stitch kits, and these come from OneDaySaving. If they have any specials, or if I have a discount code, I will put it right along here and in the description box below. So let's start with the top one. Let me see which way I have to be. Let me get it out of its bag. All right. This does not have a picture, so I will put a picture of this right here or over here and let you look at that for a second while I get this unfolded. All right. This is a 50 by 50 and it's 190 by 190 in stitches. But isn't that gorgeous? Look at all those cactus. And I've never seen a cactus in, what do you call it, the stained glass look. This has 35 colors. Wow. Awesome. This is going to be beautiful. Looks like it might have a little confetti here and there, but nothing too horrible that you really can't deal with. It does have some bigger areas. Let's take a look at what the colors are. We have 154, which is kind of a mulberry color. We have 310 black. We have 498 red, which is a brick red. We have 550 purple. Yes. And we have 666 red. We have 823, which is a like a navy blue color. We have no 939, no 3371, which would be a brown, and no 3865. So we have 3853. Boy, that's hard to say. So yeah, some different colors in it. Let me look here. No. I was looking to see if it had that 996 or 995. You know, the turquoise color that I like. So yeah, I like this. I just love the colors, and I think it's going to be beautiful. We'll see how beautiful, you know, when I get to those colors. But very nicely printed. No smudges, no smears. Very nice. I'm going to set this right up here because we're going to use it here in a moment. Does come with an instruction page on how to start, how to finish. That's nice. And it does have a toolkit. We have a, I don't know, a leopard, a cheetah. Not real sure what it is. It's a cat. How's that? 5 needles, poop ball, thimble, and needle threader. Very nice. Now, this is where that page is going to come in. So, we're going to look at the product number here. So, it's 3022, 3022. And on the canvas, 3022. So those all match. So hopefully, I think all the threads should be, you know, right and correct for this canvas. Hang on just a second. All right, I am back. I had to fan them out there. It does come with a hank of 310 black. Very nice soft threads, though. And I don't know. I think this is a hurricane. So, good job, guys. But look at all these gorgeous, gorgeous colors. We have teals. We have olive greens and dark and medium and a little bit lighter. We have pinks, vivid pinks. Look at that teal. Is that not gorgeous? And this is kind of a salmon color. And then we have like a orangish yellow, if you will. And then we have all the reds. We have blues. Look at that one. Is that not gorgeous? Oh, Yes, this is going to be stunning. And I'm glad it's only a 50 by 50 too. That would be so nice. Very nice indeed. Just beautiful, beautiful colors. And it is on a thread card. Thank you so much. I love that part. I don't have to cipher anything. It's awesome. Let's take a look at the canvas. The canvas is serged all the way around. It's kind of folded in thirds there. But very nicely printed, very easy to see. There is a picture there, but you're not going to make out exactly what that is. The serging looking, well, does not go into the numbers, which is very nice. So it's a nice key, nice darkly printed, easy to see symbols. Very nice. Product number and how big it is. And also down here, 190 by 190. So that's good. Let me open it up. It's kind of squarish. It's bigger than you give it credit for, but you know, I kind of like that part. It's awesome. This looks like one that could be very doable. Nice, smooth canvas. It's a little thick, but you know, I think it's going to be just fine. If this is a hula can, they have really upped their game. I don't know why I would have written that down if it wasn't listed as a hula can. So they're getting on the ball here. So it is 49.5 centimeters or 19.5 inches by approximately 19 inches or 48 centimeters. Actual picture size is 16, almost 16 3/4 inches or 42.5 centimeters by, 43.5 centimeters or 17 1/4 inches. So very nice size. I really like this. I think it's going to be easy to stitch on. You don't have to worry too much about the confetti. And it's got lots of colors, 35 colors, so that it's going to give all the shading in there. It's going to be beautiful. I don't know where I want to start. Not at all. Not at all, but very pretty. And it was $13.71, so that's a very good price for all that. Lots of thread and lots of beautiful colors. It's going to be a toss-up as to what I start first. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. It is a Joy Sunday, as you can see. It is 37 by 48, and it was $10. Sorry, $10.84. Let me get it out of its bag. Oh my goodness, I loved this. Comes in the typical Joy Sunday bag. All the instructions on the back, just like you saw on that little piece of paper. It's the same thing. Let's flip it over. Is that not gorgeous? It says gorgeous fruit bowl. I thought this is just stunning. Just absolutely stunning. It is a 14 count and it is a partial. So we're going to see how that all comes together. But it is just beautiful. Beautiful. Let's take, and it's going to have some back stitching. I'm trying to figure out where everything begins and starts. It is broke down into 4 different pages. It's 164 by 220 stitches. It has full stitch, French knot, and back stitch. Let me check on the back. Nothing on the back. We have a total, excuse me, a total of 45 colors. There are 43 colors in full stitch, 2 in French knot, and you got 10 different colors in back stitch. And this, you know, I usually say I leave my back stitching until the end, but I may do back stitching as I go along because this has a lot going on. Yeah, a whole lot. Let's see what colors they have. We have no 310. I don't know what they're using for a dark color. So maybe it's the other shades of color. Let's see, nothing I know of. 815 is a brick red. That 304 is kind of a lighter, not lighter, kind of, yeah, lighter brick red. It's almost brick red, but it's still in the red zone. No 823, no 939. We have that 996, which is that turquoise color that I love. No 3371. Interesting. I guess we'll just find out when we find out. How's that? Let's take a look at this pattern. It is just beautiful. Look at all those colors. Oh my goodness. Yeah, and then we have leaves, and we have grapes, and pears, and and birds, and all kinds of stuff, and roses, and what are those? Come on, pansies. I love pansies. Love them. Just love them to pieces. Let me flip it over. I gotta move it out of the way. We have another bird down here, but lots of fruit, lots of beautiful, beautiful colors. I love this, what do you call it? Like a braiding going around the edge. Yeah, this is gonna be stunning. Sorry, I hung my other bell. Can you tell? Holy cow. Let's take a look at what is inside of here. Oh, nice, nice, thin, as I'm passing through, thin, it's not thin, but nice, thin, smooth canvas, which is typical of Joy Sunday. And I guess, oh, no, I thought we only had one. I'm just going to move this out of the way for a second, so we can see all those colors. It does come with 2 needles. It has one of the thread cards with the product number. The red number tells you how many strands you have. Then you have a DMC number, and then you have the thread card number. Paper pattern will not match the canvas. Just saying. Let's get this apart. We have reds, we have oranges, and we have like burnt oranges, and I can't, yeah, there's your 996. And this is a beautiful purple. It's 3837. Very nice. And then over here, we have kind of olive greens, some more oranges, yellows, blues, bluish purple, dark turquoise, light blues, darker greens, pink. And we have, there's that 304 red that I was telling you about. And this one right here is 825. So you can kind of see the difference right here. Yeah, it's a little brighter red. It's almost Christmas red, but it's got a little black in it. So very nice. Very, very nice. I just love all these colors. Oh, yeah. Like I said, it's going to be a toss-up. Which one do we work on first? I don't know. It's another 14 count, but, you know, this will be lovely to work on. It's got little areas. Do you see that? You could work on just this section and yeah. Stumbling over my words. Whoops. It's got to go this way. So it does have the product numbers here and the name of it. So it goes, whoops, get my fat arm out of the way. Very nicely done. It is serged all the way around. Just lovely. Lovely, lovely. Ugh. And it's just the right size. It's not too big. It's not too small. It's gorgeous. Nice. Sorry. Oh man, that's going to drive me nuts. Alright, nice big key. You can see the thread card number, you can see the symbol, and the DMC numbers. So I'll put it down so I can demonstrate. All these numbers right here and along here are the regular cross stitch. Let me unfold it. Then the 2 circles is the French knots, and all these are the back stitches. Very, very nice. It even tells you how big it is here. We're going to measure this. This is just going to be stunning. And if you wanted to up this 1 notch and you had a bunch of black DMC 310 or Anchor or whatever it is you use for your black, you could fill in all that white with either black or like a cream color. It would just make that whole thing pop. I just don't know that I'd have that kind of, what do you call it, patience? Yeah. Just saying, it would look beautiful. But I'm glad they didn't, because, you know, by the time I get done stitching this and putting all the back stitches of French knots and who knows what else in it, yeah, I would be totally over it, yeah. So, let's see here. We have 48 centimeters, or, oh, it's just on the edge of 19 inches. And this way it is, whoops, almost 14.5 inches, or 37 centimeters. The actual picture size is 11 3/4 inches, or 30 centimeters. So by, if I could just get it there, trying, 15.5 inches, maybe a little over that, or a little over 39.5 centimeters. I absolutely love this. It's just, I can't. The colors are magnificent, and I just hope I didn't order it twice, because you know how I get. I mean, if it's something that got to have and want, and I am so known to ordering it twice. So, big giveaway somewhere. Yeah, it's going to be gorgeous. I can hardly wait. Thank you, OneDaySaving, for sending me these gorgeous, gorgeous kits. Like I said in the beginning, if they have any specials or if I have a discount code, I will put that in the beginning of the video and in the description box below. Now, OneDaySavings usually has free shipping on orders over $50. And if that changes, I will also list that in the description box below. They have cross-stitch, diamond painting, and paint by number. They do custom in all 3 of those. They have tools and crafts for all 3 of the majors. And they always have great prices and a big selection and lots of new ones. I don't know how often they come out with them. Usually these stores try once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks. But do check them out because they're all having spring sales right now, and there's always a lot on sale or different, and not all the stores are the same. You know, you get a wide variety of stuff. There's stuff that I see here that I might not see at other stores, so I jump on them when I can. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.